going on? Welcome to the vlog, y'all. Woo! We started in the car because I just got done getting my nails done. We got the holiday nails. We're set. I have such a sad story regarding my nails, but we won't even get into that right now. Y'all, happy holidays. Your girl is finally off of work. I am on holiday break now. Oh, I'm blessed. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. Okay. So the hair is in twists because your girl got up early this morning and washed her hair, went to church, then made it for her nail appointment on time. So we're in a good mood. Okay. Everything is just flowing. Kinda. When is it ever really just flowing right? But we're in a good mood, I'm excited. We got a lot of things going on coming up in these next couple of weeks, bringing in the new year. So I'm just, on good vibes and positive energy all the way. So y'all, right now, I just got done, like I said, with my nail appointment. I got red nails. Y'all, this nail, this pinky, and this nail broke. When I say they split I have really thin nail beds. My nails split in the middle. So it's so painful, y'all. It's so painful. But I had to get a new set because I just couldn't do the long nails anymore. Y'all saw them. I couldn't do the long nails anymore. I'm a short nail girl, by heart, naturally. So I had to go back short, and I needed to get those nails fixed because it was horrible and the pain was so bad. But we're back, we're fresh, we got red for the holidays, so I'm feeling good. Next, we are going to go to Target. I think I'm gonna run to Target real quick because I still have some Christmas shopping to do. We head to Oklahoma tomorrow, y'all, to visit my girl Liv. Y'all have seen her in previous vlogs, but she is coming down to Oklahoma to visit her family. So I felt like it's not too far from Kansas City. It's a good drive, but it's not incredibly too far. So I'm about to go meet up with her. She just had her birthday. My girl I'm not going to tell y'all her age, but she just had her birthday, and we usually always see each other, and I haven't seen her family in such a long time. So my boyfriend and I are going to be going up there to visit. So I'm super excited. I have not started packing. Life has been busy. Okay, so I got a lot to get done today. But we're going to head to Target first because I'm going to get them a few Christmas gifts. And then I think we're going to head home because I need to finish editing my video that I'm going to be posting soon on the channel and get it posted or at least scheduled to be posted. I need to change because I kind of want to get out of my church clothes and then get into just some comfier clothes. We'll see what that's gonna look like. And then I need to head over to my parents because we did some baking yesterday, actually a lot of baking yesterday. Y'all are here to enjoy the ride, so just come with me on this Sunday, running errands for the week, and we about to turn up for the holidays. I am intentionally looking to only get what I came in here for. Y'all, so my friend's mom, she doesn't want much for Christmas, but she said that she would maybe like coffee, and she likes a specific coffee, Folgers coffee. So I'm trying to find that. It's this that gets you stuck. All these wonderful desserts, but we're in here only for coffee. I'm trying only to get that so I can get out of here and go about my business. But look at all of these. All these cute little candies that you could give for Christmas. Actually, you know what, y'all? I think I'm gonna pick some up. These would be really nice stocking stuffers for my dad. So I think I'm going to grab some of these. Okay, y'all, my mom loves these. These are just $1.99, so that can be a good stocking stuffer for my dad. And we found it. It's on sale too for $7.99. I think I'm gonna get her the big one. So there's French roast, gourmet, classic decaf. If you're a Folgers drinker, which kind do you like best? Colombian. So many options. I'm not a coffee drinker, so I don't really know all of this. Y'all, and we're out in record time in a Target. Your girl only spent $15. Yes, I did get more than what I went in for, but still Christmas gifts, and that's ultimately what I needed to do. So I really just need to make the gift bags for everybody, and then I'll be pretty much set. I still have a few items to get for Christmas, like for my dad and my boyfriend. They're just harder to shop for. One, also, my dad never tells me what he wants for Christmas, so I just be guessing. What does he need? I did already get him some things, but I want to get him a few more items. And then for my boyfriend, he just told me what he wanted. And of course, it's hard to find. So we're going to see if I can even find it, or if he's just going to also get whatever I think would be a nice gift for him. So I'm about to head back home now, just to unload everything. Again, finish editing my video and get it posted, and then change, get me something in my stomach because I'm hungry. Am I the only one that doesn't eat breakfast? Like, I'm always like running out the door to get to church. Like, I don't have time to eat breakfast before church. I did get a banana, but like, I want breakfast. But now it's like almost 2 o'clock, so I don't know if I'm gonna eat breakfast. We'll see. Finally done editing. The video is published and posted. So if you are subscribed, you would have gotten that notification. But if you are not, go check it out. It is my favorite products for my natural hair, especially this year that I've been using up. So definitely check that video out. I'm now headed to my parents to go ahead and finish up the packaging of the treats that we baked yesterday and pass them out to the neighbors. So y'all will be coming along with me to the folks' house. Here we go. Mom, I told you. What do you think I was putting my phone there for? What did you think I was putting my phone there for? That just goes to show.
It ain't live.
No, it's not live. Okay. My mom and I do these treat baskets each holiday season. So yeah, all the neighbors will either bake something, well, a select few of the neighbors in the cul-de-sac will bake something or just go to the store and buy their treats, their holiday treats, and then we'll all pass them out closer to Christmas. So my mom and I kind of switched up the menu this year. We made chocolate covered marshmallows, which are these, green with sprinkles and sugar. This one's pretty. Triple chocolate nut clusters. So these have peanuts and a little bit of pecan in them, and then chocolate. The red velvet cake crinkle cookies. So that's what these are. What we make each year that people look forward to getting from us is the caramel corn puffs. It's just addictive. And Kentucky bourbon bowls, the butter cook, which I was introduced to when I was a Girl Scout when I was younger. One of my friends in our troop, her mom made it each bake sale that we had, and then we got hooked onto it, and it's super good. Espresso sugar cookies, cranberry Christmas cake, and then the salted caramel butter cookies. They were really simple to make, and I got the recipe off of Instagram too, so hopefully they're good. This is our first time making them. And if you're in the Kansas City area and you enjoy desserts like these, my mom has her own business. What is it, Mom?
Beyond Just Cakes.
What do you do, Mom? You make cakes, you make cookies. What else?
But I specialize in pound cakes.
Specializes in pound cakes, and anyone who's had them can attest. If you've had them before, put it in the comments how good they are, because you know it is. Yeah, if you're interested, you can find her on Instagram at Divinely Blessed. What is it? Divinely Blessed 321. Okay, so we're gonna continue filling these boxes, and then I'll show you once they're complete.
Bye.
Hey y'all, it's the next day and we are headed to Oklahoma. It's snowing. We were trying to get out earlier before the snow came down, but it is what it is. Liv touches down around 12:55. This is a 6-hour drive, or around a 6-hour drive for us from Kansas City, so we're gonna get there probably around like 5 p.m. But it is her brother's birthday, so the plan is kind of once we get there to chill out, get settled in, and then go out for her brother's birthday dinner, and for hers too, kind of, even though it was earlier this week. So here we go. I'll probably check in when we take breaks. Hey y'all, check-in time. Just had to get close up and personal. We just stopped at the gas station to refill on some gas. I want to say I'm the one driving, and I clearly don't even know where we are. But I think we're in Oklahoma City. I don't know. I know I saw the sign for like the exit. So I think we're in Oklahoma City, but we are about an hour and a half out from my friend's place, so we don't have that much further to go. Your girl is pushing the pedal, okay? We get in there. But we did make sandwiches to have on the ride. He made like 3 for himself, but I just needed 1. Just so we didn't have to spend like that much money on food on the way to Oklahoma. And we should be there soon, y'all. I'm really excited to see my friend. Liv touched down, like I said, around like 1 p.m. So she's already, settled and everything. So she's just waiting for us. But I'm so excited to see her. I'll probably check in back with y'all once we actually get there. Babe made a good sandwich. Guess who I found, y'all? It's Liv. Hi. So we're at Charleston's now. We're with the crew.
I'm scared of you.
Thank you. How you feeling, Liv?
Blessed, highly favored.
See with my dad when he
There you have it. Hey y'all, it's the next day at night too. But we're at Olivia's mom's house and she cooked us this wonderful Mexican meal: enchiladas, rice, beans. You'll see it. Oh, no. I'm just, doing my vlog. We're about to have our dinner.
Oh, hi, y'all.
We're about to have our dinner, and then Olivia's brother is coming to get us, and we're going to see Christmas lights. y'all, so we are in the limo that Olivia's brother got us. We're on our way to get her. Oh, they are coming here? Okay. Olivia's brother and girl are on the way, and then we're gonna go see the Christmas lights. Is this your first time in limo?
No.
Oh, okay.
I
think it's my first time in a limo, actually.
Do you think so?
I think so. I've been in like a party bus in like high school for the dances and stuff, but I don't think I've ever been in a limo. This is nice. It's been a day. But road trip back home went very well. I got back home right in time before the snow hit. So, didn't have to drive on the icy roads or anything like that. So I'm very grateful for that. Thank you, Lord. But now I am in the process of getting all the gifts together. I haven't wrapped nothing, y'all. And it is Christmas Eve. So I'm about to get going with wrapping all the gifts up, and my hope is to be able to get over to my parents, like just drop everything off, so I don't have to worry about bringing anything tomorrow when I come back over. I hope you all have had a wonderful day thus far, and I hope that y'all's holiday plans are going well too. We're almost there, y'all. It's almost time. It's almost the day. If your family doesn't give gifts, leave a comment below. Like, what do you all do for the holidays? Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, what do you all do during this time? I would love to know. Or any holiday traditions, I'd love to know. So leave a comment below. I'd love to engage with y'all. So definitely do that. But yeah, I'm going to get going so I'm not up all night and get this party going. Hey y'all, Merry Christmas. So as you saw, the family has opened gifts and we are about to have Christmas dinner. So I'm just gonna wrap up the vlog here now. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday with your family, whatever you celebrate. I hope it's filled with joy, laughter, love, peace, all the above. And I'll see y'all in the new year. Bye.